Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Rufa Pratlaini.
My name is Salasabila Putri.
We are from 10th class. Here we will present the story of Cekatarup and the Seven Apsaras.
Cekatarup and the Seven Apsaras.
Cekatarup was a young man who lived in a small village. One day he was hunting for a deer in Dadapan village, but he did not find any deer. While searching for a deer, he heard the sound of girls laughing, as the place is deep inside the forest. Cekatarup wondered why there were girls there. He followed the sound and arrived at a small pond where he saw 7 apsaras descend from heaven to take a bath. The apsaras looked like young girls and were very beautiful.
When the Apsaras were bathing, Ceka sneaked out and took one of the shells lying on rock next to him and went back into hiding. He watched as the Apsaras were chatting among themselves while bathing. After they finished bathing and getting dressed, one of the Apsaras, the most beautiful of all, was puzzled because she could not find her shawl, which was stolen by Ceka. Without her shawl, she could not fly back to heaven. Ceka heard the other Apsaras call her Nawang Wulan when they told her that it was getting late and they had to return to heaven, so could not stay with her to look for her shawl. After the other Apsaras had gone, Cekatarup showed himself and pretended to offer his help.
The truthful Nawang Wulan agreed to go with Cekatarup to his home. Eventually, the two fell in love and got married. It turned out that Nawang Wulan was a good wife and was very skillful in doing house chores without making much effort. Moreover, their supply seems like never decreased after he married her. But Nawang Wulan forbade Ceka to look inside the rice cooker while she cooked rice.
Not long after, Nawang Wulan got pregnant and with time. She gave birth to a baby girl whom they named Nawangsi. Now, added with the task of taking care of the baby, Nawang Wulan still seemed to have no difficulties in doing her house chores, while most other women would have some difficulties in doing all she did.
Feeling very curious about all this, Ceka tried to find out her secret. He did what Nawang Wulan forbid him to do. He opened the lid of the rice cooker and looked inside it. He found out that Nawang Wulan only used one single grain of rice to cook into a full rice cooker. Now he knew why their supply was never decreased, and all this time Nawang Wulan had been using her Apsara powers to do house chores.
But something happened after Ceka peeked inside the rice cooker. Nawang Wulan began to have various difficulties in doing her tasks. Furthermore, the rice supply began to decrease. Nawang Wulan had lost her Apsara power and became an ordinary human being.
When the rice supply nearly is up, Nawang Wulan unintentionally saw her also lurking from below the rice supply while she went to the granary to get some rice. To her surprise, she found out that it was Ceka who stole her soul all along, which made her could not go back to heaven. She was angry, and now that she had found her soul, she decided to return to heaven. Ceka pleaded her not to leave, but her decision was final.
But before she went, Nawang Wulan asked Ceka to build a hut outside their house and told him to leave Nawangsi there every night and that he should never walk inside the hut while she was there to nurse the baby. Then Ceka took Nawangsi to the hut every night until she grew up. Nawang Wulan always cared for her family from heaven and always provided for her family when they needed it.